We all want to write better lyrics, lyrics that express how we feel. But an often overlooked tool for expressing the emotion in our lyrics is their rhythm, because the rhythm of our words can reflect our emotional state. When we speak, our rhythm will change with our moods, because our rhythms are dictated by our emotions. So the rhythm of a lyric should be the result of the emotion it's trying to express. In this video, we're going to look at the 5 main lyric rhythms in songs that can teach us how to write better rhythms in our lyrics. The rhythm of words is made up of strong beats, or stressed syllables, and weak beats, unstressed syllables. For example, driving, dum da, or today, da dum. The first rhythm we're going to look at is the most conversational sounding, the I am. There's an unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable, as in destroy, or belong, or delay. This rhythm is said to be the closest rhythm to natural speech. Here's a few common iambic phrases. A bitter pill, through thick and thin, see eye to eye. This makes the I am one of the most common lyrical rhythms in any genre. It has a heartbeat-like rhythm, a rising rhythm, and it's the perfect rhythm to create a conversational feel to a lyric.
He passed upon the stair and spoke of once and when.
But it's also an incredibly versatile rhythm. Depending on the song's tempo or the length of the notes in the melody, it can be romantic,
I may not always love you, but as long as there are stars above you, you'll never.
or it can be really intense. Not all these songs use the iambic rhythm strictly, and there's a reason for that, and we'll get into it later. But for a pure iambic rhythm, check out Amazing Grace.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
The troche rhythm is the reverse of the I am. It's dum da, as in always, garden, sorrow. As opposed to the I am, the troche is said to have a falling rhythm. Without a stressed syllable at the end, it gives the rhythm a strong forward momentum or a cascading effect.
2 jumps in a week, bet you think that's pretty clever. It's all.
Like the I am, the troche is incredibly versatile, and depending on the tempo or the length of notes in the melody, that falling rhythm can give you a sense of anything from longing
Is it getting better? Or do you feel the same?
to restless and uneasy.
Get your motor running, head out on the highway.
As I mentioned earlier, not all these examples stick to one rhythm pattern. Most songs will change up the rhythm pattern to keep things interesting. Across the Universe by John Lennon alternates between the I am and the troche rhythm from line to line.
Words are flowing out like endless rain into a paper cup. They slither while they pass and slip away across the universe.
Let It Go by James Bay uses the iambic rhythm for the whole verse and then switches to the troche rhythm in the pre-chorus.
I'm sleeping at the edge, holding something we don't need.
The clunky rhythm of the Thedactyl is sometimes compared to a galloping horse. Dum da da, as in tangerine, poetry, difficult. Here are some common phrases with the Thedactyl rhythm. Actions speak louder than words. Under the weather. This rhythm can be serious and heavy.
Green plastic watering can for a fake Chinese rubber plant.
But like all rhythms, it's incredibly versatile and can be used for a lot of different emotional effects.
Picture yourself
The Anapest rhythm is the reverse of a dactyl. Thedactyl, as in incorrect, on a train, understand, contradict. Some phrases that use the Anapest rhythm include in the blink of an eye, by the skin of your teeth, get it out of your system. The Anapest rhythm is the breezy and speedy rhythm that you hear in limericks. It has a playful and trivial quality. When used in threes, like the last example, the Anapest rhythm can sound trivial, but that's not to say it can create a lot of different emotional feels, like a feeling of longing, for example.
In the still of the night.
Mixing an Anapest rhythm in with, say, the Troche or the iambic rhythm can really speed up the feel of a lyric.
If you're new to songwriting, there's a free cheat sheet linked below that can take you from no idea to a finished song.
Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. Got the feeling that something ain't right.
The sponde rhythm is often used for emphasizing certain words in a lyric. With a sponde, each syllable is equally stressed, as in sunset, earthquake, rainstorm, birthday. So this has the effect of slowing things down. Because each syllable is equally stressed, it takes more time to pronounce. And this can result in giving certain words more emotional weight.
Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brain.
This rhythm is really useful for commands, like sit down, shut up, go home, stop that, come back.
Don't stop believing.
Into the light, kiss me, kiss me. Infect me.
But depending on the tempo of the song, those commands can become a plea.
Slow down, lie down. Remember, it's just you and me.
We can manipulate our rhythms to create effects, to speed up or to slow down a line, or to add or take away from its emotional weight. Because lyrical rhythm is part of the structure of our lyrics. And if you want to see more ways that the structure of our lyrics can influence their emotional content, check out this video next.